da kabe dengklam la penkudno negesngi ha kapung ejnar ha kaba da kipau hajar ngut kirunget na rikasi berjantia kumjuru na kiwi kijela penabari gelawan bansaki ya kene kejingle kemen kejingle niam ha kesngikut kalasdang da kejingle niam kenting knong ka yingsa kalengdo butsa kabam tengkong bat hadin la pendep ya kale niam cho tendai kabakat kum kejinget kalong banbe ya kiksu kikrei kapang kisitom bat kesniu kasar na ying na sem ya kani kejingle niam la pendep da kisakri niam na du udaloy kisangot ucutia nalor upator ulengdo kalengdo bat kiwei kisakri niam jong karaj hagni kejingle niam kaseng raj shilong seng kasi keme seng telilang niam tre lat halabo seng raj umulong kumju kidorbar shnong ibakentup ya kalom yong kejam lom keruyang syangyar panaliar dulong tebep pale lom perdi yong pia bat yomusyang kilawanra ikirot jongki harangkat ke kubor sya upajbah hagne kesnem kabamenta kidon hadu kharlai teli kirot kibalawanra ha ejnar bat hadin balawanra lut barok kirot la penhiar eka ha kaknong blai hadin kijingsyat bat peni pajba ikirot ha kapung ejnar kaladon sakale niam dat lawakor ha pedeng kekenhun ulengdo na penthorwa bat kekenhun usangot paswet na kepenthor neng
To witness the Income Festival, I welcome the people of Jaipur. The those present here today with immense joy and pride. In the spirit of the Income Festival, be with you as you witness the celebration.
I wish everyone carry message of goodwill from the state of Assam to our brothers in Meghalaya and more specifically to the brothers and sisters of Jaintia Hills. I convey my lot of good wishes and I pray for success of the festival.
There are frequent frictions in the border. There are frequent frictions in the border area.
I don't think so. Everything is settled smoothly.
So how far is it?
Everything is smooth.
So when is the next level of talks? CM level talks.
I kept on meeting CM and Deputy CM, so channel of discussion is always open. We keep on meeting, and there is no friction. And whenever something happens, we resolve that immediately with the spirit of friendship.
What is the Bedikram experience to you, sir? How is the Bedikram for
I'll
you?
come again, and I'll also join the festival. I'll also jump in the pond.
Okay, sir.
I'll definitely come.
Okay.